Hey, this is Hassan from OpenBox and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we'll be reviewing the Corsair Pro Gaming Bundle. This video will be in 6 different parts. Part 1 is going to be a full unboxing, Part 2 is going to be the keyboard review, and Part 3 is going to be the mouse review. Part 4 will be a headset review and a final quick look at the mousepad and the iQ gaming software for your RGB for Part 6. So let's get started. Okay, so this bundle contains the Void Pro gaming headset, the K55 Rgb Gaming Keyboard, the Harpoon RGB Pro and MM100 mousepad. This comes at a full cost of $99.99 at Corsair PC World or £219 on Amazon. Quite a big difference. These prices for all the peripherals are separately shown here to tell you how much you save. The K55 comes at $52.99, the Harpoon RGB Pro comes at $29.99 and the Void Pro Gaming headset at $69.99. The MM100 mousepad comes at £8, which comes to around $160 altogether, which means you are saving £60. To be honest, this is one of the best startup gaming peripherals that you should get, and you do save a lot of money for what you get. Okay, so that is most of them are in here. I actually forgot to get that mouse out, which was on the right corner, so don't be worried, you'll get that. So okay, so moving on to the K55 Rgb Gaming Keyboard. Okay, so this has a 3-zone RGB backlighting with also 6 dedicated macro keys with Elgato Stream Deck software integration. So this actually can be used to put your super little shortcuts, which can save you a lot of time. Also, this is IP42 dust and spill resistant, so it should be no worries if you spill a drink over this. It also comes with a detachable palm rest, which I'm not actually using right now because I'm not really used to such a giant keyboard, and it does feel really weird because I always press the macro keys instead of control when I try to do that. So it does have a button which you can turn on, off and change the brightness of the RGB backlighting. I think it's quite useful if you want to use it like in the dark or something, don't want it to be too bright to distract you, but I normally keep it on the brightest. Okay, so there was some cheeky ASMR for you to hear the buttons of this keyboard. It is a Maybach keyboard, which is pretty annoying. Okay, so the Harpoon does have 2 side buttons. It is a bit nice to hold, but not the most ergonomic mouse ever. The scroll wheel also does feel right. It is a very light mouse, so it is very recommended for shooting games if you want to move your hands really quickly for a quick reaction. Okay, so the Void Pro is a very comfortable headset. It is very similar to the Steel series headset as it uses the same materials which are very comfortable. It is similar to the Arctis 7, I'm pretty sure, and the Arctis 3. Although it does not have the headrest, which is very different there, but it is very comfortable. I'm actually using it to record this video so then you can see the mic quality on this, although I would not say it's studio quality, but it is very decent quality, I would think. The mic is not detachable, but it is very easily out the way when you put it up. Okay, so it also does have volume control and a mute button on the headset, which is very great, which means you don't have to go into options to mute your mic anymore. Okay, so now let's jump into the iQ gaming software so you know how to change your lighting effect. So I will be doing it on the Corsair Harpoon RGB Pro right now, but it's the same for all of them. So you just press on it, you get into lighting effects and you choose the color you want. You can put static color, you can put color wave, you can put, I'm pretty sure, breathing effect. So that's something you can do. For the Harpoon, you can actually change the DPI and the color for each, but that should be no worry. Also, you can change the side buttons and what DPI you jump to every time you click it. You can also do the same thing for the K55. You can put different color waves, you can put a static color, and you can put different options that you would like. You can change the macro keys there too, and you can change what the multimedia keys does. Unfortunately, the Void Pro is not an RGB version, so that is not a setting you can change.